Hey guys, it's me, JessRed18, and today I'm gonna play around with some sound effects in this video to make it look cool. And yeah, I have something like dry spot right here, so it's gonna be like red or white or whatever. So that's why that's that. So I'm just gonna do I don't know, stuff and make a sound effect of it. Okay? The first sound effect is, because this one's weird. It's going to be farting. Here we go. Ready? Sorry guys, the camera fell, but that was the first one. And the next one is going to be people booing at me. That is why I think kids should eat more vegetables. Okay guys, I think that was the third one. I don't know. But the next one is going to be people applauding for me. That is why I think kids should eat more sugar. Okay guys, that one was people applauding for me. I think that was the fourth one. Next one will be people talking over me or whatever. Hello? Can I get anyone's attention? Anyone? Can I get your attention? The next one will be charge. Charge. Okay, that was the sixth or whatever one. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if you like sweets or vegetables better, and if I should use any of these, or should I make another video with sound effects. Bye guys!